Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you're having a great day today. It's Sunday afternoon, usually one of my least favorite times of the week because Monday back to work, but this being Memorial Day weekend, I have the day off with pay tomorrow, so that means, woohoo, get a sleep in. That being said, I just wanted to I was sitting around going through my system. You can see I made a few changes here. My wallpaper's been changed and my bar has been updated a little bit color-wise, just to give it a little more pop, I guess. I actually kind of like this color scheme. I might actually go ahead and make a Vim or terminal color scheme out of this. But that being said, I just wanted to go over something else I added to my system today and just kind of discuss it a little bit. So that being said, let's go ahead and open a terminal, and we are going to clear the screen and we are going to zoom in. Now, whenever you want to list the contents of a file or see the contents of a file, there's several tools you could use. Most of the time, somebody will use like less. You can do less.bashrc, and that will list out your bashrc content. You also have cat, so if you do cat.bashrc, that's going to list out the content as well. Well, I found another tool that I decided to use that I really think is cool. So let's go ahead and clear the screen, and I'm going to do cat again because I want to show you what the difference between the cat I just did. So we're going to do cat.bashrc. And whoa, wait a minute, what's the difference here? Now we've got line numbers, and we have, it actually looks like I'm inside a file. But if we just kind of scroll down, you can see that it's just the list of my bashrc. So if we quit out of there, and let me do cat again, .bashrc, that's what it normally looks like. Well, what's going on? Let's go ahead and scroll up here, and we have right here an alias for cat, and I have that aliased for bat. And I don't know if you've ever used bat, but if we switch workspaces here, let's zoom in, I have the man page for bat pulled up. And bat is a cat clone with syntax highlighting and Git integration. It is really, really cool. It actually works pretty well the same as cat does, but obviously you use the bat, and then you have some options, and you list the file. So if we scroll down here, you have all different kinds of options. So you have show all, which means it's going to show like all non-printable characters like spaces or tabs or all that stuff. We have plain, so it's only going to show in plain style with no decoration. So let's see if we go back over here and we clear the screen, and let's just use bat -- plain, not pane, and then do bashrc. You can see we still get the syntax highlighting, but we don't get the line numbers or anything like that, which is just cool in and of itself. But it shows different languages that you can see the syntax highlighting on. So if you run the bat-l, it's going to explain, it's going to show you it's going to set the syntax highlighting, excuse me. The language can be specified as a name like C++ or LaTeX, or possibly a file extension like CPP or HPP. And if you use the --list -languages, it will show you all the supported languages. You can highlight certain lines. So by using the H command. So if we do, let's say we did bat-h 5 through 7 and then .bashrc, you can see right there now we have line 5, 6, and 7, 5's wrapped. So that's why we've got an extra bit there. So we've got 5, 6, and 7 all highlighted. And then, so just highlight line 40 or highlight line 30 through 40, or highlight line 40 means highlights line 1 to 40. Highlight 40 : highlight lines from 40 to the end of the file, or if you do 30 plus 10, we're going to highlight lines 30 to 40. And then you have file name, so you're going to specify the file name. You have diff, only show lines that have been added or removed with respect to the Git index. So if it's a Git project or a Git repo and you've changed something on it, and then you run this command, it will show you the difference between the Git index and what you have. Diff context. It includes lines of context around added or removed or modified lines. So it will kind of excuse me. It'll give you context around the lines. You can set width to T spaces, so you can do tabbed. Wrap mode, you have terminal width, you have number to only show line numbers and no other decorations, you have colors to specify when to use colors, so you can do automatic or you can do never or always. You can do italics, you can do decorations, specify when to use decorations, always or never or auto, force colorization, pager, map syntax. You got themes. If you do, you can set themes for it. You can list the themes that are available for it. So let's say we do bat -- list - themes. This gives you a list of all the themes you can use for your syntax highlighting. And it's got style, so configure your line numbers, file headers, grid, border, get modifications, all this stuff you can change with style. You can show just certain lines, so say you wanted to do bat, let's see, what was the -r, that's right, and you wanted to do 4 through, let's say 4 through 7 on .rc. Then it's going to show you only lines 4 through 7. So if you kind of got an idea of where at in the file what you're looking for is, you can just do that real quick. Let's go and clear the screen. You have list languages, so that's going to list all the different supported languages for syntax highlighting, unbuffered, and then help and version. So basically, it's just like cat in the fact that you just type out cat or bat and then the folder you're looking for or the file you're looking for. But this one, you can add all kinds of stuff to it. So it's a really cool tool. Like I said, in my bash RC, I have cat aliased to bat with my theme set up. So yeah, it's just a really cool tool. I hope you guys maybe can get some use out of it. Again, it's bat, and it's just something that's kind of neat and kind of pretties up the terminal a little bit. I spend a lot of time in the terminal. Most of the stuff I do is in the terminal, so any chance I get to give it a little color, a little bit of flair, I mean, I like to do that. So that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and you enjoyed this and you can get some use out of it. So just enjoy your day off tomorrow if you got one, and get some rest and relaxation, and God bless.